First of all, I will show you what my BMI was before I exercise. Bago ako mag-exercise, nakuha kong weight is 45 and my height is 1.6. Now, I show you how I calculate my BMI. Una, para mahanap mo ang iyong BMI, kailangan mo munang hanapin ang weight and height. So, ang nakuha kong weight is 45 at ang height is 1.60. Multiply by itself is 2.56 and bring down the 45 divided 2.56 is 17.6. Ang nakuha ko is underweight. And those are my exercise for a month. Now let's see if my BMI has changed. After ko magawa ang 1 month exercise, nakuha ko ng weight is 50 and my height is 1.60. Para malaman natin ang BMI natin after natin mag-exercise is hanapin natin ang weight natin and height. So after ko mag-exercise, yung nakuha ko ng weight is 50 and my height is ganun pa rin 1.60. BMI is 19.5 and naging normal na ako. After completing my exercise and finally reaching my desired BMI, I feel proud and fulfilled. The journey wasn't easy. It required consistency, discipline, and patience, but it was all worth it. I realized that improving my body isn't just about appearance, but also about feeling stronger and healthier. Through this experience, I learned that small daily effort can lead to big results over time. Achieving my goals BMI through me the value of self-care, determination, and believing in my own progress.